Welcome everybody, a new software update is available. So how nice is that? We only got, in brackets, only get 2 updates in August for the Samsung S21 series. You can see my videos here, 1st and 2nd August update. Today it's the 7th of September, so we are in the beginning of September, and voila, here we are. I open my phone, I got a message, a software update is available. So when I go and hit the update button, I understand that the security of your device has been improved. And this time we have a proper changelog. So here it is, the AUHD version. Maybe soon we're gonna get also something in 4K, right? And it upgrades the security to the latest security September patch level. So what I'm gonna do, guys, in this video, I'm gonna update my phone, right? I'm gonna do some short testing, see how the phone behaves, camera performance, shutter luck. I'm gonna also run a Geekbench. I'm going to check some versions, One UI Home, camera versions, the Biometrics patch and security. So let's see how much we're gonna get out of this ROM. So here we are, phone has been updated. Usually I am going inside into the recovery menu and I'm wiping out my cache. Then I'm also running the Galaxy app optimizer from the Good Guardians, or what used to be Galaxy Labs. This time I'm not gonna do this because this is only a security update. Finishing system update. When you do this step, please allow the phone some time. And guys, if you're keen to understand how you can enter the recovery of your phone, wipe out the cache, and also optimize all of your running system and user installed application using Galaxy Labs, then check this video here. Now some words about the AUHD firmware. So this AUHD September ROM has been built on the 19th of August, but just released a couple of days ago. You can see on the 4th of September. It is only 200 megabytes. But what is most important is that this is the 17th stable update in 223 days release of the S21 series, which means one update every 13 days. Now I honestly doubt that anybody can beat Samsung with this. This is really crazy. Now I always start this test with camera opening, camera closing, to try to just see how the phone behaves. I've also opened all my applications, nothing is closed, so I'm just going to take the phone in my hand, try to press camera open, right, camera close. I've turned off the focus enhancer and also the scene optimizer to try to make this a bit faster. Okay, so camera opening, right, camera opening, camera closing, camera opening. It's not bad. I think Samsung really are getting better at this. Now if you wonder why I've removed the scene optimizer and the focus enhancer, the only reason for this is with focus enhancer and scene optimizer, this might lag when you open or close the camera. Now honestly, by default I have them on, so it's not a problem. Alright, now let's try to do some tests. So I'm gonna be shooting this here, okay, right, with the focus enhancer and the scene optimizer. All right, let's now try to see how quick can I go. Okay, let's remove the scene optimizer and the focus enhancer and try to do this one more time. Okay, focus enhancer now off. Right, almost no difference, but still I think a bit faster. The result is not so bad. Okay, it's not so quick, but have in mind that the sensor here is a very big one. Even if you're shooting 3x4 and not using the full 100 megapixel, it's still doing some cropping and pixel binning, so it is rather a big sensor. So camera opening, camera closing, I would say decent. Also shutter luck, I would say decent. Let's try to see now how smooth the phone can operate. I've opened all of my applications, you can see they're up and running, and I'm gonna open some random applications. A benchmark, okay. Let's open as AliExpress. Let's open as Faces. Okay, you can see it is quite okay. Let's open AMOLED backgrounds. Okay, let's open Play Store. All right, let's take the phone in the hand. Okay, so I'm gonna close Play Store right now. Okay, let me open Play Store. Okay, you can see opening and closing animation is quite good. I've opened a lot of recent applications. Now I'm gonna close all of them and I'm going to run Geekbench to just see how much this phone can do with the security patch. And now it's time for some Geekbenching. Of course I've put the phone a bit in the fridge to cool it down. Maybe I did a bit more. Anyway, it's 30 degrees, which I think is really optimal for the Exynos 2100 to operate. So I'm gonna close everything and I'm gonna start Geekbench. Geekbench here, I'm gonna press the run CPU and let's try to amaze ourselves with the results we're gonna get. In the meantime, this is the result that I got with the second August update. You can see on the single core I got 1077 and on the multi-core score I got 3417, and those are some of the previous results I was getting on my S21 Plus phone. 512 Variabate 909, 1957 and 3058. So let's see how much we're gonna get here, and you see guys, the idea really is to get at least 1077 on the single core score and around 3500 on the multi-core score, so that we know we are performing into 1037 single core score and 3392 on the multi-core score, which is a bit lower than what we used to have, which was 1077 and 3417, but it's around the same. When we go here, we can still see that we are beating the average score for the S21 Ultra 5G on the single core, and we are also beating the multi-core score, the average one. So I would say nice results. I've closed all the applications. Let's try to do some version checks right now. First thing I want to see, settings, about home screen 12.1.07.33. It is the same. Okay, then let's check the camera versions, how this goes. Going to the camera, going to the settings, click about camera 11.0.03.24. It was the same also as in the second August update. Now let's check the biometrics and security. For that we go here, we go biometrics and security. Then we need to click to more biometric settings and biometric security patch, checking for updates. It's been a while, but we have the same results. Fingerprint 5103, face recognition 21026. Okay, so it's pretty much the same guys, no major software updates. What we can also check in the Galaxy Store, what Samsung stock applications updates are available, right? 10 updates available. Okay, Samsung calendar new version, the reminder, the air command, AR emoji, the visit index, Samsung global goals, SmartThings, USB-C driver, Samsung core services and the TS, but I'll probably do another video on those one. Phone still runs at 36, so let's also run an AnTutTu so that we can complete the testing cycle. Last time we got the very impressive result of 730,000, so this is really very impressive result. Let's go test again and see how much we're gonna get now with the first September update. $724,000. It is almost like the same result, only 10,000 points less, which I think is pretty neat, very stable. Also, we can see that the temperatures were very stable, went up from 22 degrees to 40.8, and they stayed stable, which probably means less throttling now with all the updates that Samsung did. I really hope that we are sooner gonna get all the benefits from the Exynos 2100 chip. I would say quite stable performance, no big changes. Hey, security upgrade from September, right? And without any further ado guys, if you like videos like this, watch the other videos, subscribe for my channel. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next episodes. With that said, wir sehen
and bye.
And bye.